Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today is a very special day because we have a new car on the channel and we are going to be installing a cold air intake on it. This is the fresh new ride 2019 Golf Alltrack. I got all the parts in the back, Unitronic intake. Gonna go see a homie at his house and do the install. Guys, so we are in the crock shop with Samir.
What's up?
You guys know him from that Wish trunk clip install video. So today we're going to be doing the Unitronic Cold Air Intake on the Alltrack. Super simple. We have the complete package. We're going to be doing the SAI breather since we have it. We're going to be doing the coolant reroute hose, which is this guy right here. Super easy. And we're going to be doing this carbon fiber shroud as well, which is going to just add to the clean look. And on top of that, we're gonna be doing this CTS high flow turbo inlet pipe. And you may ask why CTS, because it's the exact same fucking thing, but 50% cheaper. First of all, guys, shroud is gonna come off. Just have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, 2 on each side. All right, guys, there's the intake. That looks so sick, dude. Okay, this intake cost me $1,400 taxes in, and so far, the finish looks pretty good. What do you think?
That's not bad.
I mean, compared to, like, I don't know, IE or CTS. Like, IE is pretty good. It looks pretty clean, but
yeah,
I don't know, the carbon fiber looks dope.
it's an OEM plus.
Yeah,
OEM
yeah,
plus for sure.
That's what Unitronic does, but they are pricey. All right, guys, and this is the carbon fiber shroud. See how that looks like. First impressions. All right, guys. Oh my god, wow. So first impressions, as you can see, this is the shroud. Like, feeling it wise, it actually feels really solid and high quality construction. Does not feel cheap at all. I mean, when you're paying that much for an intake, I would hope it wouldn't feel cheap, but yeah, it's got some weight to it. It's nice and well built. Look at that! I just dropped that air filter on the ground. Look what kind of dirt spot it left on there, dude. That's filthy, bro.
That's on the floor, bro. So you got
Oh yeah, bud. Mint.
one grommet there, a grommet there, and one on the bottom there. And then this is just like
It's plugged
a
off.
drain.
It does nothing,
Yeah.
basically. All right, guys. So the stock junky pipe is coming off.
One.
There we go. All of you guys that are trying to resell this for 60 bucks on Facebook Marketplace, please don't. Do us all a favor.
Pack a beer and that's all.
Guys, right now we are taking off the super restrictive plastic inlet pipe and disconnecting the PCV line, which is painful.
It's annoying.
A little bit of a pain, but we managed to get the old inlet pipe off, and as you can see, guys, look at that difference. Look at that bottleneck restriction on the old plastic pipe. Just look at the difference, guys. It speaks for itself. So this is worth the money. Don't get just the plain intake, get this additional piece as well. Sexy. Now that's a proper automobile now. We just got the coolant reroute hose installed. If you let your car cool for at least 30 minutes, it's okay. There won't be that much pressure, so don't be worried. Slide the new clamps on, clamp them in. It'll be mint. Look at that, dude. All right, guys, so we got the inlet pipe back on, the silicone one, and there's also this boost hose that goes right here, connects to that nipple right there, as you can see, that metal nipple. So originally this small little hose is going to be sticking out from here like that, so you will have to take it and reroute it through here and behind this charge pipe bracket and through here, so that way it can reach the new silicone pipe, otherwise it will not reach. So small tip. And I just checked all the other videos and nobody else showed that step, so thank me later. Alright fam, so next step is to install the grommet on your new carbon fiber intake.
Yeah.
And yeah, just 1, 2, 3. Very simple job. Can't fuck it up. Even a monkey can do it.
There you go.
Beautiful. Intake is almost all installed, and check it out. It looks so sick. Look at that carbon fiber. I love this. Although I must say, I'm very picky. I wish they made this carbon fiber too. I wish, but we don't get that. But we do get this. We do get this, which is sexy. Carbon fiber shroud is on. Just 2 screws here. Just goes inside the intake box. We found some little plugs to plug in these 2 holes. These would have been if you didn't get the coolant reroute hose, so it would have sat, your original hose would have sat with one of these clipped in and would have just went straight across, which in my opinion looks ugly as hell. So yeah, there you guys have it. Unitronic Cold Air Intake. What are your thoughts, homeboy?
I like it. The only thing I wish they changed is there's a little vacuum line just on the bottom of this hose. I don't like the placement of it. I mean, I would have liked it somewhere else, but...
Yeah, it was a bit of a pain.
It's just, I mean, if it falls off, it's kind of a pain in the butt to put back in without taking everything off again.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so obviously you guys want to hear a sound clip, so let's go. Alright guys, so that is the Unitronic Cold Air Intake on the Alltrack. I hope you guys enjoyed. At this point now it's a proper automobile. It's time to take her for a rip. Peace.